Every sunrise feels brighter with you in my arms. Every whisper you give wraps me safe from the storms. When you're gone, the silence cuts right through my soul. Baby, you're the missing piece that makes me whole. The world can turn, the stars can fade away, but I'll still need you every single day. I can't breathe without you, I can't dream alone. You're the light in my darkness, my safe place, my home. Every beat of my heart keeps calling your name. Without your love, girl, I'd never be the same. Your laughter's the melody I keep on replay. Your touch is the fire that won't burn away. When you hold me, the rest of the world disappears. All I need is your voice, your love in my ears. The world can turn, the stars can fade away, but I'll still need you every single day. I can't breathe without you, I can't dream alone. You're the light in my darkness, my safe place, my home. Every beat of my heart keeps calling your name. Without your love, girl, I'd never be the same. If forever's a road, I'll walk it with you. Through the highs and the lows, every sky, every blue. And if the night tries to steal all we found, I'll fight for your love till the last heartbeat sounds. I can't breathe without you, I can't dream alone. You're the light in my darkness, my safe place, my home. Every beat of my heart keeps calling your name. Without your love, girl, I'd never be the same. So promise me, darling, we'll never let go. 'Cause I can't breathe without you, and I want you.